lifestyle, it says, if I have to be happy and healthy, I just have to follow these 5 things. Eat when you're hungry, because these are the basic fundamental need of this body. Eat when you're hungry. If you have to eat, when you have to eat, only when you're hungry. Don't eat because it is time. Some of us, we have got into this concept of eat according to the time. No, eat when you're hungry, because based on what you have eaten earlier, it may take a shorter duration to digest, or it may take a longer duration to digest based on the food that you eat. So when you eat a food without being hungry, that is not good to your health. You're dumping junk into it. So eat when you're hungry. In Tamil, they say so beautifully, நீ சாப்பாடு சாப்பிட்டியா, சாப்பாடு உன்ன சாப்பிட்டுச்சா. They say, when you're hungry, you ate the food. When you're not hungry, the food will eat you. So eat when you're hungry, not otherwise. Drink when you're thirsty. Some of us, we have this concept of I should every day minimum drink this many liters of water. Again, it depends upon the kind of work that you do. Sitting inside an AC atmosphere, sometimes you may not feel thirsty. But ensure a beautiful indicator. Body is an extraordinary indicator. How do you know I'm feeling thirsty? Oh, my lips has become dry. The moment your lips become dry, that is an indication that your spleen, very vital organ, in Tamil they call it manneeral. You have to keep it cool. Manna vandu chillan irukonu. The sand has to be cool. Only then things will sprout. Things will grow. So the moment my lips is dry, it is an immediate indicator saying that, oh, it's time for me to have some water. Drink when you're thirsty. And how will I drink that? You will have to drink in such a way that your lips also becomes wet. So take the lip inside when you drink water. Let your entire lips become wet. Keep the water for your tongue, because 3 things which require the water more than your stomach is your lips, your tongue, and your throat. These are the 3 things which requires your water more than your own stomach. So when you drink water, ensure you take at least about 10 to 15 seconds before you swallow 1 mouth of water. Oh, don't drink. That's not the way you drink water. How much ever you drink like that, you'll still feel thirsty because they're still very dry. So eat when you're hungry. Drink when you're thirsty. Rest when you're tired. The moment you feel tired, because this body has its own limitations. When the energy level is going low, then accordingly I will have to rest to recoup the energy. And the body will tell, enough here, I am not able to push myself beyond this. I've pushed myself enough. Beyond this, I can't push. And then that's the time you need to rest. So rest when you feel tired. Don't push yourself beyond. When you keep pushing yourself without listening to the body, one day what will happen is the body will make you lie down for about 3 to 4 days. You won't be able to do anything. All that it required was that 5-minute break, that 10-minute break that particular day. So over a period of time, that periodical 5 minutes, 10 minutes break, if you can give to the body, then there is no need for you to rest for about 5 days or 10 days. So eat when you're hungry, drink when you're thirsty, rest when you're tired, and definitely sleep between 10 p.m. and 5 a.m. 10 to 5. Even more wonderful, extraordinary it will be if it can be between 9 and 4. But a little more practical, 10 to 5. Why? A lot of these organs, they have to perform their work, and they perform all the cleaning work and all the toxin which is there in the body, it has to be thrown out. So cleaning process, as we keep mopping and brooming our home, so that all the unwanted dirt and dust of the previous day, we throw it out the next day. Likewise, the body also, there are so many dead cells which are there. Every day, a lot of cells, they die, and a lot of cells get rejuvenated. New cells are born, and all those dead ones, it has to be collected. And only when you sleep, all those things will happen properly. So definitely sleep between 10 o'clock and 5 o'clock, so that all these things happen so beautifully and the unwanted things are thrown out for the next day morning. And more importantly, you and I, when we are born as a child, all that we understood and all that we know is amaidi, nimmadi. It is called as calmness and peace. These are the two vital things which we needed: calmness and peace. So, the basic five fundamental need of every human being is eat when you're hungry, drink when you're thirsty, rest when you're tired, sleep between 10 and 5, 10 p.m. and 5 a.m., and certainly learn to be calm and peaceful.